Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how artificial intelligence can easily remove background of any picture. You just need to upload your picture and let the AI do the work for you. You can check the link in description if you want to use this too. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more content like this. In this example I am going to use two images and watch the artificial intelligence do the work for me. Normally if I was going to do this myself it would take a very long time for me to do this on my own. You can see the artificial intelligence results are not perfect, but you can easily do the rest of the work yourself and you will get a pretty result. If you are not a pro editor, I think this is a very useful tool for you. This channel is all about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the future of technology, and if you are interested, please check my other videos and don't forget to leave a like too. Thank you for watching.